Hey guys, Dave here. In this video, we're going to start talking about text to TV, okay? And this is how we're going to want to... I came across this thing, and this is really what spawned the text wall concept for me, right? It was this, and some of the training that you're going to see in the bonuses area that Anthony Ayers has been so kind to provide us. It really got me thinking, and I started looking for a done-for-you digital signage platform. And I stumbled across this Rise Vision platform, and it's completely free, okay? And they've told us it's going to remain completely free. Now, they do offer the ability to run a network of digital displays, and they've told us that those features and some of the widgets and stuff are going to be on a per charge basis, but the platform is going to be free as long as you're not running a network forever. And it is ultra badass. They have all of these pre-done presentations that you can use, right? Like here's a football one, and here's one for a brewery, right? And here's one, here's a sports bar preview, right? And what's really cool is, like, see all of these Minnesota teams across the top here? It knows I'm in Minnesota. So it puts Minnesota teams in because it's using a Google Gadget placeholder widget in here that does all of that. It does the geo-targeting. Here's a restaurant menu where you could set up timers, you know, so this would change from breakfast to lunch to dinner. These digital signage platform, it's completely controllable, and they give you all of these previews, okay? So it's at risevision.com, and I'm going to put a link right below the video. So I'm just going to click log in here real quick, and it's tied to your Google account, right? So as long as you have a Google account, a Gmail account, you'll have access to it. And they've got pretty good training videos here, okay? So I'm not going to go through all the technical aspects of every single possibility with the Rise Vision platform, but I am going to show you how to integrate the text message system into it. And we're going to do that by, we're going to pick a presentation that we want to build on, and probably I'm just going to use this football presentation. Actually, I'm going to use this dental presentation, and the only reason is to save us a little bit of time because I already have some really cool green buttons that are going to work really good for this. So I'm going to click the preview, and this is going to be really big on my screen, so we're not going to see it all because it's monstrous, right? But you get the idea. So this is the platform we're going to build on, and what we're going to do is we're going to make this news slider. We're going to shorten this up. We're going to shorten the weather widget up. We may move this image around just a little bit and put the text right underneath here. But I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and how to integrate my text wall into this platform. Okay? Pretty cool. Pretty cool indeed, I think. The way this works, just to give you a little bit more information, is you download their software onto a computer, okay? And it kind of needs to be a dedicated computer. Now, it doesn't need to be fancy. It can be a cheap, you know, $200 book computer that runs an operating system off of a flash drive. It can be an old, almost obsolete spare tower computer or an old obsolete laptop or whatever. But what happens is once you've downloaded the software onto that computer, then that computer just becomes a vessel. It just becomes a vehicle. And then it's just a matter of plugging in an output. And as soon as the computer boots up and the Rise Vision platform is started, you can decide what shows on that screen from your admin, okay? Right from the admin. You can see here I'm logged in as admin to my network, and you can set the, you know, you can assign displays and settings, and you can build the network, and you can have a network of networks or a network of businesses and schedule all of the displays. It's really an awesome, awesome platform. And when you tie it with the My Text Wall, it gets 10 degrees more awesomer. Is that a word? Anyway, we're going to tear into the dentist display here in the next video. This is the Rise Vision platform. I'll put a link to it right below the video. And let's get into this thing. See you in the next video, guys. I'm super excited about this.